Hi, Abby. Are you ready to go to the doctor's, huh? Are you ready to go see Miss Donna? She's gonna take your weight. Yeah. She's gonna check you out, see what's going on. I like your pretty dress. It's very beautiful. Can you say hello? Yeah. Hi. So I'm going to the doctor. Yeah. She's gonna check my poo-poos. And she's gonna take my weight. Hopefully everything's all good, huh? Yeah. You could go with Papa's and Sissy and Mama and Daddy. Yeah. So Popeyes. Yummy. So Popeyes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.